Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. I really don't got much to do, so I just gonna start this video right now. And today I will install SSD in my PC for the first time. I have never done anything like this before, and I hope this will work out. Let's get started. That's my Christmas gift right there. Nothing special about that. And yeah, okay. So, first thing you'll need is a SSD and a SATA data connector. I already showed it right there. So what you have to do is that you have to plug it into your motherboard. So plug that into your motherboard and plug it into the SSD. It's pretty easy. It's not that hard to do. From the back of your PC, you want to grab one of those cables that has the L shape on it. Just look at it closely and plug that into your SSD or hard drive. I will be installing an SSD and a hard drive in my PC. Make sure that it is in tight. Make sure that it is plugged in tight. I will also do the same thing for the hard drive that I took out my laptop. That's my old laptop. It's broken. It doesn't even work. So I just have to take it out anyway. I'm gonna show you the back of the PC. So give me a sec. So that's what all the cords and the wires look like on the back. And that's the power supply. So you just have to grab one of those cords right there and plug it into your hard drive or SSD. Pretty easy. And now you just have to put it somewhere. So let me think about it. Where should I put it at? I will put it right over here. Trying to make this nice and neat. Just give me a minute to think about it. I will put it right there. Gonna push this over some. That should be perfect. Trying to straighten up the wires. Make it nice and neat. That looks nice. Now I have to do the same thing for the hard drive. I'm gonna put it underneath it anyway. So yeah, I already installed the hard drive. Same thing I did with the SSD. I just put it down there. And I already put the PC back together. And everything is working. It lights up. The fans and the liquid cooler lights up. It's working fine. Graphics card working fine. Fans working fine. Now, Now you got to do is you have to go to your start menu, right click, go to your disk management, and initialize the disk and click OK. Just do that. Just right click on it again and just right click and open new simple volume, assign a letter, put the label. I will put SSD for the solid state drive. Samsung one I got the Samsung one. And I will open my file explorer, and it should be right there. 931 gigabytes. It's 1 terabyte, by the way. I don't know why it's showing 931 gigabytes. That's kind of weird. Anyway, right there, that's my hard drive. 697 gigabytes. I'll put HDD. It already has Windows installed on it, so I am going to format it. Just did it anyway. And yeah, nothing's there because I formatted everything. And that's about it.